ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ good morning everyone. Uh, Everyone can see the slide, whatever I'm showing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now here in this one, we will start with the estimation of some typical building plans. Okay, typical building plans, preferably with whatever the examples they have. Examples from the question paper. Okay, the pattern when you see the question paper, they have given single BHK or 2 BHK, some irregularities, and they have given foundation details. With that, we can do the estimation. Now, in the estimation, there are generally two methods. One is long wall, short wall method. Another is center line method. We'll just see the formulas, how actually it is there. Long wall means what? You have to consider out to outer distance in general. Okay, out to outer distance of any wall. Short wall means you have to consider that wall into in distance, into in distance. For any calculation of wall length, for any calculation of wall length, first and foremost is calculation of center to center length. Calculation of center to center length. That is very, very important. Okay. From that center to center length of any wall, you need to add breadth, you need to add, deduct breadth depending upon the condition. Anyhow, quantity is what? Quantity when you see a volume. Okay, how you get volume? Length into breadth into depth. Generally, it is like that. Apart from that, if there are two numbers, then you have to multiply with two. If there are three numbers, you need to multiply with three. Okay, na? Okay, so generally it is like this only, long wall, short wall method. In center line method, you are going to calculate center to center length and you are multiplying with the dimensions like breadth and depth, simply like that. In that, there is one correction. What is that correction? Whenever there are interjunctions, whenever there are some walls meeting with some another walls, you will develop what? Junctions. There has to be correction. There has to be correction for junctions. So how that correction is denoted? From the center to center line minus that number of junctions into half of the breadth of what? Of that particular item. See here, for excavation, the width or the breadth. See here, width and breadth are interchangeable. W or B can be easily interchangeable. Okay, na? Length you are calculating, width and breadth both are same. They are given in the cross section. Depth is also given in the cross section. From the plan, you need to calculate the center to center distance. Now, in the long wall, short wall method, first you are going to mark something, mark on the plan so that for the next thing, which is long wall and which is short wall, which is long wall and which is short wall, try to first mark it on that one. Okay, in the long wall, short wall method. Later on, you need to add breadth for that item into depth like that. Okay, you need to calculate now. When you solve the examples, you will be easy to understand. Okay, in the long wall short wall method, center to center plus breadth you are adding for the actual length, for the short wall, center to center minus that breadth for short wall. In this method, whereas in center line method, total center to center line is calculated and minus correction for the junctions. That will be your corrected center line length. That will be your corrected center line length multiplied with breadth multiplied with depth. Okay, na? Simply as like that. Okay, now we'll go to the example. Slowly we'll go. So in this diagram, there are type of junctions they have shown. Type of junctions. See, correction for junctions is done only for interior wall junctions. See here, as the plan, you can say, no, here also there is junction. Here also there is a junction, but you should not consider that as a junction. There, it has to be interior wall meeting. Interior wall meeting, then only we can consider it as a junction. Okay, na? So simply you can start with the one problem. Slowly we will start. Slowly we will start. Okay, na? Slowly we will start. There are some formulas we will later on, as the example will come now, we will start this one. Can you see the example 1 in your this one book, whatever PDF I have given?
Yes, sir.
Can it is there na? It is
Yes, sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
It is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in that one, just I will enlarge on the screen. I will enlarge on the screen. Okay. Okay. Now on the screen, is it totally visible now? On the screen, clearly visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now it
Yes,
is
sir.
one single room. It is one single room. Its dimension is 6 meter in this X direction, 4 meter in the Y direction. 4 meter in the Y direction. But easily you should understand 6 meter. Generally we consider it as long wall distance. 4 meter we consider it as in the Y direction, that is short wall distance. Okay na? Now in that it is a diagram, or it is a plan showing wall thickness. Showing wall thickness. What is the wall thickness here? It is written no, zero point 0.3 means what? 300 mm thick wall. It is called as 300 mm thick wall. Okay na? So 300 mm means one brick thick or 1.5 brick thick. Can anyone tell me? One brick thick or 1.5 brick thick? 300 generally.
1.5, sir.
1.5 brick. Very good. Now, in this plan, there is one small space given. What is that? It is a door. It is door. What is the door dimension here? 1 meter like this in X direction. 2.1 is in the depth wise. 2.1 is the depth. Means what? Its height. Its height. It is the height. Okay, na? 1 meter is its width. There is no length. Okay, there is no length. Okay. Okay, now you come to this cross section. In the cross section, all the width and all the depths they have given, all the widths and depths. From this one, there is a ground level here. There is a ground level here. Below the ground level, there is also stone masonry. Above the ground level also there is a stone masonry. Okay na? Above the ground level, below the ground level, there is a stone masonry. Beneath the stone masonry, there is one PCC bed. There is one PCC bed. So what is that PCC bed? 1:4:8 is a lean concrete. Is called as lean concrete. Now PCC width, that bed width is 0.9 meter. So you cannot excavate lesser than this. Do you agree na? You cannot excavate of width lesser than this width. Okay na? So whatever excavation you are going to do, it should be 0.9 width only. It should be 0.9 width. Now, how much depth you want to calculate for excavation? How much depth you want to calculate for excavation? From the ground level, when you add these things, you will get the total depth of excavation. Okay na? This point I think it is clear. Now for other things, the width is given in the cross section and its depth is given. 0.9, 0.2, 0.6, 0.45. First footing, you have to tell that size stone masonry in footing, first footing. It's called as first footing. Second footing size stone masonry, 0.45, and its height is 0.6. Its height is 0.6. What is this small rectangle? It is called as a DPC. It is called as a DPC. Okay na? DPC generally it is a 0.15 meter, 150 mm. Above that, there is a hatching, which is called as the brick masonry. Brick masonry in CM 1:6. What do you mean by CM? Cement mortar. Cement mortar of proportion 1:6. Okay, na? Okay, 1:6. What is the total height of the brick wall? 3 meter. What is the height? 3 meter. What is the width of the wall? 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter. Okay, na? So in this example, what they have asked us to calculate: earthwork, PCC bed, size stone masonry, burnt brick masonry. So that those things are given in the cross section, as well as the distances have been given in the plan. Is that okay? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
sir.
Okay. I request everyone to say yes or say no. No problem. Okay, na? See here, 6 by 4. Whether it is center to center or out to out or in to in. Can anyone tell me? 6 by 4 meter. Whether it
Into it.
is
Into in, sir.
it is called as in to in distance. It's called as in to in. For long wall short wall method or center line method, you first always calculate center to center distance of that plan. Center to center distance of that plan. In the diagram only, you can understand when you consider this x-axis as a long wall, x-axis as a long wall, let us say it is L1. Let us say this is also L1. So how many long walls? Two long walls. How many short walls? Two short walls. Okay, now. So center to center distance for long wall is 6 plus half of this width. And is this side also half of the width? Are you getting this point? What is the width here? 0.3. Half of that means 0.3 by 2. Same thing here also 0.3 by 2. So you can add 1.3. No, instead of 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2, you can directly add only 1.3. So in this direction, what is the center to center? 6 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Okay. So 6 plus 0.3 by 2, 6 plus 0.3 by 2. So how much it will come in this direction, L1 direction? 6.3. It will get
6.3.
6.3. Okay, na? Okay. So this is long wall for this building. This is long wall. See, considering which is long wall, considering which is short wall is arbitrary for any person. Okay, na? You can take this as also long wall. This is also long wall. No problem. No issues. Okay. Only you need to understand when you are calculating. Now, considering center to center distance for short wall, center to center distance for short wall, 4 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. Okay, how much it will come?
4.3.
4.3. Is there any doubt in this one? Is there any
No.
doubt in this one? No. See,
No.
no problem. Okay. Now you can see the calculation have been written like this. In the whatever I have shown. No. So L1 is wall thickness by 2, wall thickness by 2, inside into in. So 0.3 by 2 plus 6 plus 0.3 by 2. Whatever 6 is written, it is inside distance. Okay. So similarly for short wall. Okay. See, you in this problem, all the width of wall is constant here. All the width of wall is constant. When you take a bigger building, there might be partition wall, there might be different wall thickness. You can easily calculate that one. Okay. Now going to the next step. There has to be one tabular column. What are the tabular column? In the first column, you write serial numbers. In the second column, particulars of item. Particulars of item means what? Excavation, PCC bed, size stone masonry. What else? Burnt brick masonry. Like that, you need to write that down. Okay, na? Write that one. All the things you need to write. First, I will explain how they have done. Later on, you can go slowly. Second column should be numbers. How many items? Numbers. Third, fourth, fifth are LBD. Length, breadth, depth. All should be in meters only. All should be in meters. The next quantity is next column is quantity. How that quantity column is obtained? Multiplying all the four columns, you'll get the quantity. Now in the remarks means what? For the calculation, see here, in the long wall short wall method, you take any particular item. For excavation, long wall distance for the calculation, long wall distance for the calculation is obtained by center to center distance plus half of the width of that item plus half of the width of that item on either side. Same thing for short wall, center to center distance minus half of the width on other side minus half of the width on other side. What is that width? Width of that item, width of that item. Okay, na? So these lengths have to be entered, not the initial calculated. The initially calculated lengths are used for next calculations. For next
Sir,
calculation.
your voice is
When you
breaking.
write, pardon, who is asking doubt?
Sir, your
Anyone
voice
has
is
asked the
breaking.
doubt? My voice is breaking. For
Yes,
others,
sir.
for
Yes,
everyone,
sir. It's breaking, sir.
No,
It's
sir.
breaking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
voice
No,
is
sir.
breaking.
No, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, can you
Ah, yes, sir. Now it is clear.
clear? Okay, na? Okay, okay, no problem. See here. So long wall distance is obtained by the initially calculated center to center distance plus half of the width on one side plus half of the width on other side. What width you should take? Width of that item. Width of that item. Similarly, short wall calculation of that item is obtained by center to center distance initially calculated minus half of the width of that item, again minus half of width of that item, where width of that item is very, very important. This deduction and these deductions are going to change when you go for next items. Okay, now what is 6.3? What is 4.3? These are the initially calculated center to center distance in one direction and in another direction. Is that clear? Whenever you write, whenever you write this tabular column, first write the item and you should write long wall, short wall when you are solving the example with long wall, short wall method only. Second, you should write the number of that walls. See here in the diagram, you can when you see the when you refer that diagram in this one only, you can easily understand how many long walls, two. How many short walls, two. Okay, na? Like this. Okay, like this you need to understand. Now, don't write this length only after calculation. Only after calculation only you should enter. Otherwise, what will happen? You simply write whatever you have calculated in the previous step. No, those things you will suddenly you will enter. Don't write that things. Don't write. You should leave blank for this length. In the third column, wherever length column is there, no, you will leave it blank. But breadth and depth will not change. You have to refer the cross section and you need to refer the cross section. You simply enter from the plan, from the cross section, you enter numbers and you enter B and you enter D. Okay, till this point it is clear. You don't enter length column. You don't enter length column. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes,
please
sir.
reply. Very, very important. Please reply. I'm going very, very slow. This problem, if it is understood by everyone, next we can go a little bit faster. Otherwise, what will happen initially only if you don't understand, uh, it should not happen like that. Okay. Everyone, is that okay?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
My
sir.
this cursor movement is visible on your screen. Cursor movement.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cursor movement. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have calculated center to center. You have calculated center to center for both long wall as well as short wall. What is the width of that item? From the cross section you have already written, you have to take directly there. You have to take directly here. That is why I have told writing the breadth and depth after writing the name of that item is very, very important. Is very, very important. From the cross section, you can easily show, no, what is the width here? What is the width here? 0.9, no. What is the width? 0.9. What is the excavation depth? See, from the ground level, 0.45 plus zero point 0.2, correct na? Till the bottom of PCC bed, you need to add the vertical distance. 0.45 plus zero point 0.2, how much?
0.65.
0.65, very good, 0.65. Okay, so try to remember 0.65, width of the excavation is 0.9. So we are calculating first item, that is excavation. First item, that is excavation. So you have written long wall also same dimension, short wall also same B and D. So these four things you have written, two numbers for long wall, long wall. Okay, na? So for that item, B by 2 is zero point 0.9 by 2. Again, B by 2 is zero point 0.9 by 2. Remember. So this calculation will give you how much? 7.2. Some persons can use calculator, can easily cross check the things, Long wall, you are adding the half of width plus half of width. For short wall, you are deducting the width. You are deducting the widths. Half of this width, half of this width. This point clear? Adding that B by 2 for long wall distance, deducting B by 2 in short wall distance. Is that this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, see, I am again and again
Yes,
telling,
sir.
everyone should tell me. Everyone should
Yes,
tell me.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
only
sir.
I will.
Yes, sir.
Then okay. Then only I will move to the next step. Okay, na? Okay. So here, length after this addition, 6.3 plus 0.9 by 2, that is B by 2, 6 plus again 0.9 by 2, zero point 0.9 by 2 will give you 7.2. This 7.2 is the long wall distance after correction in this one. You should enter here. You should enter here. Okay, na? You should enter here. Similarly, short wall length after deduction of B by 2, you should write it here. You should write it here. This point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one, okay. So once you write this corrected length in long wall, in short wall, you can multiply the elements. You can multiply 2 into 7.2 into 0.9 into 0.65 will give you 8.42 in a long wall. Similarly, in the bottom, you will get 3.58. So adding these two, you will get the total excavation quantity of 12.4. You will get the 12.4. Okay, na? This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
don't be
Yes, sir.
silent. Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
small, when you do the calculation, no, when you do the calculation using calculator, there might be some change, no problem. But you understand the concept, you understand the procedure, no problem. Because this is some person have solved, no, he has also done some mistake. Don't worry about all those things. This is the procedure you should understand. Okay, na? So this is the excavation quantity. This is the excavation quantity. Okay. Now slowly we will go to PCC item. PCC item, when you see the diagram, where is that? Here. PCC's width
So
is
your
also
voice is
same.
breaking.
I think I will clarify with other persons. Okay, other persons, whether my voice is
Okay, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Huh. Then, madam, please check the network in your house. I think there
Okay, sir.
might be
Okay, sir.
problem. Okay, na? Because for
Okay, sir.
others, it is clear. That means from my side, okay. From your side, not okay. Okay,
Okay,
no
sir.
problem.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, na? No problem. Okay. Here, PCC's center to center distance is same. Corrections is also same as why? Because width of excavation and width of PCC bed is same. So that is why you are writing same length. Whatever you have calculated for excavation, the same length you are writing it here. 7.2, 3.4, 3.4, 3.4. Okay, na? So here also PCC bed again, two long walls, two short walls. Okay, so long wall corrected length 7.2, corrected length 3.4, width is the same as excavation, but depth of PCC bed, what is that? Zero point 0.2. From the cross section, if you see, the depth is how much? 0.2. Is that okay? Depth is
Yes, sir.
point. Depth is 0.2. Okay. So the items the quantity is added, sorry, the quantity is obtained by multiplying 2 into 7.2 into 0.9 into 0.2. So you will get 2.59. For short wall quantity, 2 into 3.4 into 0.9 into 0.2, you will get 1.22. So you add these two. You add these two. What is that? Long wall quantity plus short wall quantity. You will get PCC quantity as 3.81. 3.81. Okay. Everyone, this calculation of PCC bed is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone. Is that clear? Shall I go to the next item, that is SSM, Systone Masonry? Shall I go?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
go? See, first, what you are writing, when you see the cross section, how many footings are there? Systone Masonry, below the
Two, sir.
ground level 1 footing, above the ground level 1 footing, means 2 footings are there. For the 2 footings, 2 short wall, long wall. For ground level, below the ground level, 2 long wall, short wall. Above the ground level, 2 long wall, short wall. Only change will be in width, change will be in depth. Okay, now see here. When you write this one, okay, you write Systone Masonry, that is third item. First footing, long wall, short wall. Second footing, long wall, short wall. Okay, now okay. How many long walls? 2 long walls, 2 long walls, 2 short walls, 2 long walls, 2 short walls. Don't write the length column. Do not write the length column. Okay. Do not write the length column. Okay, na? Okay. Now you refer the cross section. You write it for first footing. What is the width? What is the depth? Is that okay? In the cross
Yes,
section, beneath the ground level, that is first footing, width is 0.6 and depth is 0.45. These two things will be same for long wall and short wall. Okay, this you have written, this you have written. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, similarly, by referring the cross section that above the ground level, that is the second footing, what is the width? 0.45. What is the depth? Means height of that stone masonry in second footing, 0.45. Both are same. 0.45, 0.45.
yes, sir.
Good. 0.45, 0.45. Okay. See, in the when you see this one, you will get confused. Just I will enlarge and tell. See here, I will just make it more enlargement, because I have given this one. Width is 0.45, that is clear. But height, can you see? Total height they have given 0.6. In that one, this DPC height should be deducted. 0.6 minus 0.15 is 0.45. 0.6 minus 0.15 of DPC is the height of this second footing of Systone Masonry, that is 0.45. Width is given directly 0.45. Is that clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, okay. Now see here. Now 0.45, 0.45, 0.45, 0.45. These four items, 2, 2, 2, 2, they have written. Do not write the length column. We need to calculate. Now, now for this 6.9, how they have occurred? For long wall, what you are writing first? As usual, center to center, which you have calculated in the first step before this table, which is same 6.3, correct na?
Yes, sir.
First, for excavation also you have written 6.3. Okay, what is that? Which one you have calculated? Center to center, this step 6.3, 4.3 will remain same. Corrections will be done for separate items. Okay, now see here. Now how they have done correction. Follow the same step as we have done in excavation. First, center to centers, that is 6.3. What is that width of that item? Can anyone tell me? What is the width of that item?
0.60, sir.
0.60 is the width of that item. So center to center plus b by 2 plus b by 2. Are you getting? What is that? Plus b by
Sir.
2 plus b by 2. 0.6 by 2 plus 0.6 by 2. Okay. How much you will get?
6.9.
6.9. So this 6.9 is the corrected long wall distance in first footing. In first footing. Okay, na? Now, how this 3.7 calculated? How this 3.7 calculated for short wall? What is the formula? Center to center minus b by 2 minus b by 2. Is that okay? Center to center minus b by 2 minus b by 2. What is the actual center to center for short wall? This 4.3. Correct now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
4.3. Huh. What is the width you are going to deduct minus b by 2 minus b by 2 of that item? What is the
0.6.
very good. Here, how you added plus b by 2 plus b by 2, no? Same dimensions you need to deduct in the short wall. So that is why center to center of short wall is my 4.3 minus b by 2 minus b by 2, where b by 2 is the width of that item. Width of that item. So width is 0.6 by 2 minus 0.6 by 2. So 4.3 minus 0.6 by 2 minus 0.6 by 2. How much you are getting? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me?
3.7, sir.
3.7.
3.7. So this is the corrected short wall distance in first footing. So that is why I have written 3.7 here. Can you see the cursor movement?
Yes, sir.
3.7. So these two things have been filled. These two things have been filled. Similarly, go for the second footing. You have written what numbers? You have written width, you have written depth, leave blank for lengths where you need to calculate, Okay, na? So it is, okay. So same thing. 6.3 is the center to center for long wall. 4.3 is the center to center in short wall. Of that item, what is the width? Of that item, what is the width? 0.45. So you are adding 0.45 do, you are adding 0.45 do for long wall. Similarly, center to center is 4.3. For second footing also same. But only change is in the width calculation. What is that? Minus b by 2 minus b by 2. That is width here is 0.45. So minus 0.45 to minus 0.45 by 2. So how much you are going to get here? 3.85. So corrected length for long wall is 6.75 in second footing. So I have written 6.75. Corrected length for short wall in the second footing is 3.85. So that is why I have written 3.85. So now all the columns have been entered. So you need to multiply to get this quantity, to get the quantity column, You multiply, you will get this. You'll multiply, you'll get this. You'll multiply, you'll get this, like this. So once you get all the four different footings, in different walls, you need to add, no? You need to add long wall, short wall, first footing, second footing. When you add all the things, you will get the total size stone masonry. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next item is burnt brick masonry. That is nothing but wall, no? Brick masonry in cement mortar. Same thing you are writing. What is that? Long wall, short wall. How many long walls in the plan? Two long walls. How many short walls? Two short walls. Do not write the length column. Do not write the length column. Okay. What is the width of the wall from the cross section? From the cross section, if you see this one, what is the width of this wall?
Point
Can
three.
you point three? What
Point
is the
three.
depth of the wall?
3 meter.
3.
3 meter. So those things are entered here. Those things are entered. Yes, they have been entered. They have been entered. Okay. So width is 0.3, depth is 3.0. So for long wall, short wall, width is same, depth is same. Okay. You have not written this length. You are going to calculate. You're going to calculate. Now, 6.3 already center to center. 4.3 is already center to center for short wall. This is for long wall. This is for short wall. For long wall, you are adding plus b by 2 plus b by 2, where b is the width of that item. Here for short wall, minus b by 2 minus b by 2, where b is the width of that item. Width of that item is 0.3. So wherever b is there, 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2, minus in this also 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. When you solve this one, you'll get what? 6.3 plus 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. You'll get 6.6. For this one, 4.3 minus 0.3 by 2 minus 0.3 by 2, you'll get what? 4. You'll get 4. So this 6.6 is written here. This 4 meter is written here. Okay. When you multiply, you will get 11.88, and you multiply this row, you will get 7.2. You need to add long wall, you need to add short wall, you will get 19.08 cubic meter of brick masonry. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Whether this step is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For everyone, I am telling.
Yes, sir.
Clear? No problem. Okay. Shall I go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
When you see in the diagram, when you see this one in the diagram, whether the brick wall is continuous? No, there is an opening. There is an opening. In the opening, you don't have brick masonry. In that opening, you have wall. Sorry, you have door. You have door. See here, one opening means what? You need to deduct that much of quantity in the total brick masonry. If window is there, you need to deduct that window quantity. If shelf is there, if if shelf is there, you need to deduct that shelf quantity. Are you getting this point? Because these items will come in the next example. The things come will in the next example. So here you need to deduct the door quantity or opening quantity, as well as lintel, everyone is aware of. Above the door you have lintels, correct na? Lintel, RCC lintel, stone lintel. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the lintel? What is the lintel length? Whatever opening is there, no, whatever opening, if this is the door opening, so this length plus 0.15 plus 0.15, arbitrary, no, it is an assumption. Lintel will cover just some extra distance above the opening. Everyone is aware of this point. Lintel is extended a little bit here also, a little bit in this side also. That is called as bearing of the lintel. That is called
Yes,
as
sir.
bearing. Okay, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
generally, 0.5 or 0.2, it is an assumption. So that is also considered as an deduction in the brick wall. That is also considered as a deduction in the brick wall, because that is actually done by RCC. That is actually done by RCC. So we are going to deduct that one. We are going to deduct those things in brick masonry. What are those things? Deduction of door. How many doors are there in the plan? One. How many lintels are there? There are one. Okay, how many lintels are there? So in this one, first write width. Width of door is the same as width of wall. So that is why 0.3 it is written. In the plan, the height is given D. Height is given as 2.1. The schedule of openings. Remember that point. Schedule of openings. This 2.1 is given. Where it is given? Here. You need to understand this point. Here it is given D door 1 meter by 2.1 meter. 1 meter is the width, 2.1 is the height. Similarly, lintel 15 centimeter thick is given. 15 centimeter thick is given. Okay, now their things are given. Otherwise, we have to assume. Now here, see here. 0.3 is the width, 2.1 is the height. And what is the length? What is the length? Size?
1 meter.
1 meter. See here, 1 meter by 2.1 is given in the plan. From the cross section, you can understand it is 0.3. So 1.3 into 2.1. Okay, now. So how much it will come? 0.63. And it is a deduction for brick masonry. So that is why you are writing minus 0.63. That is why you are writing minus 0.63. Similarly, for lintel, only one lintel is there. What is the length? How this 1.3 has their length of door plus 15 centimeter on this side plus 15 centimeter on this side. So how much it will come? 0.15 plus 0.15. So the door plus 1. How much it will come?
1.3.
Is that clear? The length of this lintel. Length of the lintel. So 1 meter is the opening plus 0.15 plus 0.15, that is the bearing of the lintel. So plus 0.15 plus 0.15 is 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 1 is 1.3. So door plus bearing is the lintel, no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Width is same, that is 0.3. Width is same. Height of the lintel is given, that is that 0.15 thick. They have given in the this one 0.15 thick. So 1.3, 0.315. So it is coming out to be 0.059. Because it is a deduction, you are writing it to minus. So in this 19.08 minus this, you will get a net quantity of brick masonry. Net quantity of brick masonry. This step is clear
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
for
sir.
everyone.
Yes,
For
sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the same long wall short wall problem is solved using center line method. See, in this center line, it is a quick method. Okay. You are writing the items: earthwork, PCC, size stone, BBM. You are writing number. How many number? Here no long wall, short wall. Only one center line, which is for total building. That is what important. That is the important here. So total center line of this building, you need to write that one. Total center line. How you are going to write the total center line? This center to center plus this center to center plus this center to center plus this center to center. Okay. This center to center, what we have calculated starting we have calculated. What is that?
6.3, sir.
6.3.
3.
Already we have calculated. What is the next direction? What is the center to center?
4.3.
4.3. Now, how the total length of center to center is calculated? 2 6.3 and 2 4.3. Total center to center, how much it is coming?
21.2.
21.2 is the center to center of total building, which will be same. 21.2 is the total center to center is same. Here no junctions are there, so you are not going to correct. You are not going to change, or you are not making any correction for junctions. Okay, as it is only outer to outer walls are there. In the outer to outer wall, these are not considered as junctions. These are not considered as junctions. Okay na? So 21.2 is the center to center for all the items. Are you getting? 21.2 for excavation, 21.2 for PCC, 21.2 for sandstone masonry for two footings, first and second. Burnt brick masonry also 21.2. This point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next column, you are writing the respective width and respective depth. It is not going to change. For excavation, 0.9, 0.45. Okay. For PCC bed, 0.9 and the depth is 0.2. For sandstone masonry, first footing 0.6 and 0.45. Second footing 0.45, 0.45. For brick wall, 0.3 is the width, height is 3. Height is 3. Clear, this point clear.
Yes, sir.
Whether this point is clear
Yes, sir.
for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
sir.
Others are very quiet. Others are very quiet. Only few people are answering.
sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the deductions calculation will be same. Deduction in the brick masonry will be same. Deduction of door, deduction for lintel. Those things will be same. Minus 0.63, minus 0.5. When you multiply this, you will get earthwork quantity. Second multiplication will give PCC quantity. Third, this and this, later on you are adding those two, 5.72 plus 0.4, you are getting 10. Okay, so in the brick quantity, that is multiplication of this, that is 19.08. In that you are going to deduct these two items, you are going to get 18.39 as the what? Brick masonry quantity, as the brick masonry quantity. Try to understand, in the center line method, the total center to center distance for that plan is taken. For that plan is taken, fix. Correction has to be made if any junctions are there. Here no junctions are there, so there is no corrections. No corrections. And all the walls are of same width. All the walls are of same width, so that is why there is no change in the center to center distance for different walls. Only one wall is there, so that is what? 21.2. Okay. Now, how many have you understand this example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, my voice is clear.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The people should understand that even after completing the class also, I will be putting it in YouTube, recorded this video in YouTube also. They can refer that one also, no problem. By using that YouTube, you can pause, you can forward, okay? You can understand in a so manner, no problem. You can refer that one also. Hmm. Okay. Shall we go to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See, one problem, 1 hour it has gone. One problem it has taken 1 hour, but first problem, no, we have gone very slow. Okay, shall we go to the next problem? Everyone should
Yes,
reply.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone,
Yes, sir.
everyone should reply.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. In the second example, it is a two room building. See here, by seeing this one, in the X direction, that might be long wall, correct? Okay. In the Y direction, that might be a short wall, correct? Okay, na? Okay. Now, what they have asked us to calculate? Earthwork, PCC, first class. Only 3 items, because cross section itself is telling only these items. Only these items. What is the size of the room into in? I will enlarge this diagram, then you can easily understand. 4 meter by 6 meter, 4m by 6m. Okay. Here 6 by 6. Okay. No problem. Clear? Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
I request everyone in between, at least, please, something you should talk, no? Something you should talk. Otherwise, I will not able to. What is it? Okay. So 4 meter by 6 meter. 4 is in this x direction. 6 is this in y direction. 6 by 6. 6 meter by 6 meter. 6 in this direction as well as 6 in this direction. Okay. So here they have given some cut section. A means what? In this direction the wall is cut. So, and that is shown here. Cross section in the AA. Section in AA. So here only one type of wall. Okay. One type of wall. Width of PCC or width of excavation is 1.1. PCC bed is 0.3. Okay. Total excavation from the ground level is 1 meter. From the ground level is 1 meter. And in this diagram, I think it is not clear how many footings are there, how many things are not there. So here, what is the width? Okay, we will see it in the example only. Okay, here it is not mentioned. In the problem, they are very intelligent people. They have not given to calculate size stone masonry. That is why the dimensions have not been mentioned here. Okay, that is what. Only earthwork, PCC bed, brick masonry. Only 3 items they have given. So that is why size stone masonry dimensions they are not given. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry about that one. So here, width of the wall is 0.3. Height of the wall, how much they have given? 4.2. 4.2 they have given. Try to remember, or we will see it in the later. Okay, na? Other things no need to worry because they have not asked in the this one. PCC, excavation, brick masonry. 3 things are there. Now, in the in the brick masonry, there will be many deductions. There will be many deduction. What are the deduction? 2 doors. So sorry, 1 second. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Samuel ji. Samuel is
sir.
there. Okay. Okay. How many deduction in brick wall? 2 deductions. 2 doors. Door deductions are 2. What is the schedule of doors given here? 1.2 width, 2.1 height. Good. Okay. Now here only you can understand 1.2. You can consider lintel. How the lintel is considered? Bearing 0.15, 0.15 bearing. So what
Yes,
is
sir.
the length of the lintel? 1.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. So it will be 1.5.
1.5.
Good. 1.5. Like that you need to calculate. Similarly, window is also given. Window is also given. What is the schedule of window? 1 meter by 1.5. 1 meter
1.5.
by 1.5. 1.5 is the height, but 1 is the length. So in the length for bearing of lintel, see here, above the door, there will be lintel. Above the window, there will be lintel. So above this window, what is the length of the lintel? Considering same bearing,
1.3 meters.
very good. 1
1.5,
plus
sir.
0.5, 1.5 hang bantu.
1.3 meters, sir.
1.3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1
Sir,
yes,
sir,
yes.
1. Dorian 1.2 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
See, we are calculating for window.
Okay, sir.
Ranganath, be alert. Okay. Window 1 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. Okay. So that is 1.3. Similarly for shelf also. Okay, if any lintel is there above the shelf, same thing. Okay, how many shelf? 1, 2. 1 second. Okay, okay. Now my voice is audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 4 windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 shelf, 1, 2, 2 doors, 2, 1 and 2. Their dimensions are given. Okay. So now we'll start with the first one. What is center to center of this total length? Can anyone calculate it? I will tell. Concentrate here. 0.3 by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 plus 6 plus 0.3 by 2. I'll repeat. 0.3 by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 plus 6 plus 0.3 by 2. Clear this step?
10.45, sir.
Everyone, this step is clear?
Yes, sir. So 10.60.
Others, 10.60 you are getting. That is okay, Baba. For others, how the calculation is done, it is clear?
Yes,
sir.
1.6, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, it is clear?
Sir.
Okay. In the y direction, what is the center to center? That is simple, which is same as previous problem. That is 6.
6.30, sir.
6 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. That is 6.3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Huh? Okay. Okay. Okay, so you have already calculated, na? Very intelligent people. 10.6. 10.6 is the long wall center to center. 6.3 is the short wall
Short.
center to center. Very good. Everyone, it is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone. Only few people are answering.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, same table you are going to make. First is serial number, second is items, third is numbers, fourth is length, B, D, quantity, remarks. Okay, we'll start with the first one. What is that? Excavation. So long wall, short wall method means what? Long wall you have to write, short wall you have to write. From the diagram, how many long wall?
2, sir.
2, sir.
2, sir.
How many short walls?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3, sir.
It is written, no? 1 second, 1 second. Nitin Patil, are you there? Nitin Patil, are you there? Omkar, Yellurkar, are you there? Are you understanding the problem?
Yes, sir.
Ratandeep, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the problems?
Yes, sir.
Rashmi Arbali, madam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing down the steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ranjana Nayak, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Ritika Talikoti,
Yes, sir.
Mulimani Saibra.
Sir.
Are you understanding the problem?
Yes.
Okay. See here. As it is, 2 long wall, 3 short wall from the diagram. Do not write length. Do not write length. Do not write any length. Write the width, write the depth. What is the width? From the diagram, cross section.
1.1.
1.1 for excavation for long wall. What is the depth of excavation from the ground level?
1 meter, sir.
Whether you can identify from the cross section.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those things you have written it in long wall and short wall, B and D quantities. You have not written the length. You have not written the length. So how these things have calculated? You will see. Okay, so come to this one. Center to center of long wall is how much you have calculated?
10.6, sir.
10.6, very good. Plus b by 2 plus b by 2, we understand that is only 1b. Okay, now onwards in the solution they have not written plus b by 2 plus b by 2, they have written only b or minus b. That point is clear for everyone. I am asking, that point is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
In the previous case, they have written b by 2, b by 2, minus b by 2, minus b by 2. But in this case, they have directly written only, only b or minus b. So, center to center is 10.6. 10.6. What is b for that item?
1.1, sir.
1.1.
1.
So for long wall, you need to add, no? So 10.6, 1.1 is 11.7. For short wall, center to center, you have calculated in the first step, that is 6.3. For short wall, you are minusing, no? You are deducting. So minus 1.1. 1.1 is the width. So 6.3 minus 1.1 is what? 5.2. 5.2. So that 11.7, 5.2 have been written here. Have been written here. And again, the same thing, you multiply all those things, write it here. You multiply all those things, write it here. You add these two things, you write it here. You write it here. Okay, na? Is that step clear for earthwork excavation?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubts? Please ask.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Next item, PCC bed. The length will not change. Earthwork and PCC bed length will not change. So long wall to short wall to lengths are same. Widths are also same. Only the change What is the PCC depth? What is the
0.3.
0.3? Are you
0.3.
referring? Are you referring the cross section and telling, or are you simply just seeing this screen and you are telling?
By solving, sir.
By referring the cross section which I have sent PDF yesterday, those things you are referring, no?
Yes, sir.
Ah, from those things only you should tell me the dimensions. Do not simply tell these things. Okay. So multiply these things, write it here. Multiply these things, write it here, and you will get what? 12.87 when you add these things. Okay. I'm telling you one thing very frankly, that when you calculate, there might be small changes in these values. That you should understand. Okay. There might be some small changes in these values. Don't worry. Don't worry about all those things. You just need to calculate. Okay. The second step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Sir.
everyone बाबा, everyone. ऋषिकेश फुगारे बाबा,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
शांत हो गया ना?
ऐसे ही सर.
Okay, no problem. We'll go to the third step. We'll go to the third. What is that third one? Brick masonry, na? Brick masonry. Same thing. Brick masonry, long wall, short wall, 2 long wall, 3 short wall. You should not write the length. You write the width, you write the height. From the cross section, what is the width of brick masonry? Rishikesh Baba,
हाँ सर.
what is the width and what is the height of brick masonry wall?
सर एक सेकेंड.
हाँ, देख क्या कर रहा है तू?
Sir, width 0.3.
Hmm.
Height 4.2, sir.
Are you Rishikesh? ऋषिकेश, तुम्हारा वॉइस क्यों चेंज हो गया? तुम्हारा वॉइस रंगनाथ जैसे आ रहा है.
नहीं सर.
Okay. Can you see the cross section and tell me?
Yes sir.
Okay, I think you are
So
not.
width 0.3.
Hmm.
Sir, and height is 3.
Height is
3.
Sridhar Agastya. Are you there? Okay, he's not there. Sneha Rangres, can you tell me the dimensions of brick wall width and depth by referring the cross section?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. Okay, you are also not attentive. Teju Pattar, madam, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Width is 0.3, height is 4.2.
You are referring the cross section?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Somu Vader, sir, please tell me the width and height of this one brick wall. Somu Vader. Okay, you are also. No, tell no.
Width 0.3 sir, height 4.2.
From which one you are referring? Cross section you are referring, or whatever it is written on the screen you are referring?
Cross section.
Vinayak Pujari, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Width is 0.3, sir,
Hmm.
and height
Height?
4.2, sir.
Very good. Please be attentive. Salauddin Betigeri.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello.
Salauddin Betigeri, can you tell me the width and height of the brick wall by referring the cross section?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Width
0.3 sir and height 4.2 sir.
Height,
4.2 sir.
okay na? So those things you are writing it here, okay na? Now I will just continue with this one. Width 0.3, height 4.2 from the cross section. Height 4.2 from the cross section, you are writing it like this, okay? You have not written in the length column. How to calculate the length column? For long wall, center to center plus 1 width of that item. For short wall, center to center minus 1 width, minus 1 width, or you can write it minus b by 2 minus b by 2, or only 1 minus b. So width is 0.3, width is 0.3, 10.6 minus plus 0.3 is 10.9. So here they have written 10.9. Here 6.3 minus 0.3, it will come 6. So that is why they have written 6. So all the multiply, you will get 27.47. All this multiply, you will get 22.68. You add, you will get 50.15. Whether this step is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I will go for the next deduction. Deduction in which item? Deduction in brick masonry item. Deduction in brick masonry item. See here, can you see how the lintel is shown here? Opening size plus bearing. Opening size plus bearing. So that is why it is marked as lintel. Okay na? So how many doors were there? See, whatever the deductions we are writing it in the this column: doors, windows, shelf, lintel over doors, lintel over windows, lintel over shelf. All these things we have marked in the plan, no, in the starting only. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, everyone,
Yes sir.
everyone, please
Yes,
be
sir.
attentive.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
two doors from the plan, four windows, two shelf. So how many doors? Same lintels. How many windows? Same lintels. How many shelves? Same lintels. Now, door is 1.2, which is given in the schedule. If you see that one plan, just beneath that, I have written it. Okay, 1.2. So 1.2 plus bearing, you will write it 1.5, which you have understood in the first step. 1.2 plus bearing. What is the bearing? Bearing is 0.15, that is an assumption. 0.15, 0.15, 0.3. So 1.2 plus 0.3 is 1.5 is lintel over the doors. Similarly, window's length is 1, lintel is 1.3 because you are adding plus bearing plus bearing. Similarly, for shelf also, 1 is the length and again bearing. Is that clear? Is that clear? Calculation of lintel length. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So width, you can refer the cross section. For door 0.3, window 0.3, but for shelf it is not full width, only some small is there, so that is why 0.2 shelf. Lintel, all the lintels are same 0.3 only because it is a full width of the brick wall. So height is also given. Door height is 2.1, window height is 1.5, shelf height is 0.15. For all lintels, depth of the lintel is 1.15. Depth of the lintel is 0.15. So you multiply, you will get these values. You will get these values. All these are deduction. So when you add 4.4, you will get with the negative sign. With the negative sign. In the gross brick masonry, you minus this one, so you will get 45. You will get 45. This is the net brick masonry. It is the net brick masonry. Whether this step is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This step is
Yes, sir.
everyone I am asking. Please.
Yes sir.
Abhishek, Chanbasu, Omkar, Prerna, Prithviraj.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Sam, Sanju, Shivu, Sharan, Shreya, Sridhar. Yes. Shweta, Sneha, Somu, Swati, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now the same problem. Is done using center line method. Is done using center line method. Is done using center line method. Okay, na? So here, when you see that one total center line, how you are going to calculate? You need to refer. You need to refer this diagram again in the plan. In the plan. How much total center to center line? All this. I will tell. We should give. See here, this is 6.3, no? This Y. How
Yes,
many
sir.
6.3s are there?
Three.
1, 2,
Three.
3. 3 into 6.3 in the brackets plus in another bracket 2 into 10.6.
10.60.
2 into 10.6. 2 into 10.6 in one bracket plus in another bracket 3 into
1.3 into 6.3, sir.
6.3, sir.
3 into 6.3. The total distance, how much you are going to get?
40.1.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. 40.1, sir.
40.1.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir.
So once again, sir, once again.
Very good. I need this type of replies. That means you people are calculating there. Late, some people are calculating. That is very good sign. It is very, very good sign. Uske sir, are you calculating?
हाँ सर और एक बार समझाओ करके बोला सर.
Okay, I think you have your voice was not there, so you need me to explain once again. Your voice was not there, so you need me to explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, total center to center. Someone has on their mic, so please turn off their mic so that it is not echoing. Okay. Just I will tell. Whenever you want to speak, just on and we can talk. So total center to center, how? This center to center is 6 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. I will enlarge this one. Okay. 6 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. That is 6.3. 6.3. How many 6.3s are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 6.3. So that is the center to center of these lines. Similarly, in this direction, total distance is 0.3 by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 plus 6 plus 0.3 by 2. So total it was 10.6. So how many walls are there? 1, 2. 2 into 10.6. So total will be in one bracket 3 into 6.3 plus in another bracket 2 into 10.6. That total is 40.1. That total is 40.1. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this method we are using center line method, na? So in the center line method we have to check any interjunctions are there, any junctions are there. Yes, here one intermediate wall is there. So there are two junctions. You need to understand there are two junctions. Junctions of what? 30 centimeter wall is junctioning with another 30 centimeter wall. Here also 30 centimeter wall is junctioning with 30 centimeter wall. Try to understand that point. These are not junctions. Exterior out to out wall junctions are not actually junctions. Only intermediate walls, when they combine, no, those things are called as junctions here. What is the correction in total center line? How to understand? How to understand that? This is that formula. This is the formula. Okay, now this is the formula. Total center to center minus n into b by 2, minus n into b by 2. Total center to center minus n into b by 2. What is that b? B is the width of that item. B is the width of that item. Okay, na? So how many junctions are there? Intermediate junctions. Two junctions were there. Have you noticed? How many junctions?
Two junctions, sir.
Two junctions, two intermediate junctions, one on that side, one on this side. Okay. Now you write down the items here. You write down earthwork, PCC, brick masonry. Like that you should write. For center to center, sorry, center line method, there are no numbers. Only you should write only one. But in long wall, short wall, two long wall, three short wall, like that you have to write. But here you have already calculated all the perimeter center to center, so you are writing only one here. Do not write the length column. Do not write the length column. Do not write the length column. Only write width and depth of that item using cross section. Only write width and depth of that item using cross section. So excavation, same. 1.1, 1.1.3. Brickwork 0.3 and 4.2. These things you have already known from the previous problem. How to calculate this center to center? Now I will explain. Okay, now. So what is the length you are writing here? That formula is CL, that is center to center total, minus number of junctions into B by 2. What is that B? B is the width of that item. So total center to center was how much? What you have calculated? Total to center, how much it was?
40.1.
40.1. How many junctions? That minus is there, na here, minus. Two junctions. What is the width of that item? Width of that item is 1.1. So
1.1.
minus inside this bracket, minus inside this bracket, 2 into 1.1 by 2. So 40.1 minus this, you are getting 39. Yes or no? You are getting 39.
39.
Yes. Okay. Once you got this 39, you multiply all these things, you get this quantity. Okay. Now there is no change for excavation and PCC. That will be same. Only there is a change in depth, so you can write it like this. Only all the multiplication you can write it like this. Okay. You can write it. Okay. Now next is brick masonry. Brick masonry also you write width 0.3, height 4.2, number 1. You don't write this, you are going to calculate. What was the total length? Same. So total center to center is 40.1 minus number of junctions B by 2. What is that B? B is the width of that item. B is the width of that item. So width is 0.3 by 2. So 2 into 0.3 by 2, that is 0.3. That 0.3 is deducted in 40.1. So that is 39.8. That 39.8 is written here. That 39.8 is written here. So that corrected total length into all these things. How much you are going to get? Has anyone calculated? Has anyone calculated this? Has anyone calculated?
50.15.
50.15. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
50.148.
No. Baba.
50.148 it is.
Okay. Swati Dabdi madam.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Sir, 50.148.
Okay. So next is what? This is the gross quantity. Deductions are same, no change. What we have done in the same previous one, no? Deductions will be same. So that is minus 4.4. In the gross 50.15, deduct that quantity, you'll get the net quantity. You'll get the net quantity. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think now everyone has understood all the problems.
Yes,
Any
sir.
problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we continue
Yes,
the
sir.
next
Start,
problem?
sir. Start it.
Yes, sir. Start.
Shall we continue or what? What we are
Start, sir.
only
tomorrow,
Ranganath
sir.
is
Tomorrow, sir.
tomorrow?
Abhishek is telling tomorrow.
Aptekar.
हाँ सर,
Hmm.
तो कल करेंगे सर.
Next problem you solve me यार. तुम साइट में भी काम करता है ना?
हाँ सर,
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
So no problem. Just telling. For
Thank you,
everyone, don't leave the meeting, Baba. We'll solve problem tomorrow, but another 5 minutes we'll have okay discussion. Okay, whether this method is okay. I will stop recording. Okay, 1 second.